welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. My name's Jen, and today I'll be sharing 3 easy ways of growing green onions. Green onions are fast growing. First easy way is to sow directly from seed. They can be planted in a garden bed or a pot, and they are super easy to grow. They have a lovely fragrance. The second way of growing green onion is directly from the roots. When you purchase green onion from your local market, the roots can be saved for a whole new plant. All you have to do is cut about ½ inch from the base. Afterwards, you can trim the roots to encourage more growth. The root can then be planted directly. A third way of growing green onion is directly in water. These green onions have been growing for 2 full weeks. The green onions were washed and the roots were cut before placing them in the water. It does have a slight bit of browning, but for the most part it's holding up pretty good. The roots on the green onion are very healthy, and this is a great idea for kitchen counter growing. And that's it, y'all. I just wanted to share my 3 easy ways of growing green onion. Any questions or comments, go ahead and drop it down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'm Jen from Creative Grassroots, and I'll see y'all next time.